Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see comments on a Parler post. So let's get started and open Parler mobile application. Now as you can see there's a post and it has one comment. We can see that by looking at the number next to our comment icon. And to see all of the comments on this exact post, you just have to click on Show Conversation at the bottom of the post. As you can see, there's the comment, and that's how you display comments on a Parler post. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.